Here is my 1957 Eljer Waco installed. Now, this video is uploading before I've made any other videos other than the first flush, because I never set it up after I restored it, except for that one short where I showed it flushing properly again. I don't know how long this thing's gonna last in here, but you know, it's cool to have it installed while I can. I'm gonna take all this stuff off the tank lid. This thing looks really good in here, which is awesome, but it sucks that it won't be able to last because it's not comfort height, and my grandpa has to have comfort height, so yeah. So, as you can see, the tank lid, this is February 20th, 1958. I believe the tank date is, well, I can't really tell what that, I think it's July 21st of 1958. It's using an original Eljer handle off of my blue Eljer emblem, and then one of those repair kit flush valve things, and then a red cap 400A. You can see the cracks right here. It's really unfortunate, but it is what it is. Here's a flush. That is a really sad flush. I do not know why it flushes like that. I'll be back when the tank is full, and I will hold the handle. Alrighty, this time I'm gonna hold the handle down. Still kind of flushes weird. But yeah. This thing is an awesome installation. It looks really good in here. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one. I don't think this is gonna siphon, but we'll see. Yeah, I kind of figured. Oh wait, no.